Today's discussion is on multiplication of decimal numbers and its properties. First we will discuss some multiplication of decimal numbers. Let me take some multiplication example. Suppose we have to multiply 0.5 and 7. Then how can we multiply this? We can arrange the numbers in column as generally we do for multiplication. So now multiply the number only 0, 5 and 7, leaving this decimal. You just forgot the decimal. 0, 5 and 7 we have to multiply. So 7 5 is 35, 5 3 carry, 7 0 0 plus 3 3, 35 we get. Now put the decimal in proper place, where only the first number 0.5 has the decimal, and decimal has after one digit from the right side. So we will put the decimal in the result of multiplication that we get from the right side after one digit. From the right side after one digit put the decimal. So we get 0.5 multiply 7 equal to 3.5. Suppose we are going to multiply 14.3 and 4. So similar way we will arrange first the number 14.3 and 4 multiply. Just forgot the decimal. We will multiply 143 and 4. 4 3 is 12, 2, 1 carry. 4 4 is 16 plus 1 17, 7, again 1 carry. 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5. We get 572. Now we have to put the decimal in proper place. The first number having the decimal after one digit from the right side. So in the result we will put the decimal after one digit from the right side here. So the result become 57.2. Number 3. 22.23 we have to multiply, suppose it by 4. So 22.23 multiply by 4. Let us multiply. Just forgot the decimal. 4 3 is 12, 2, 1 carry. 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9. 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8. Now put the decimal after 1 2 digit from the right side. So 1 digit 2 digit, here will be the decimal 88.92. Suppose this we have to find 0.003 multiply 8. So 0.003 multiply 8. Let us multiply leaving the decimal. 8 3 is 24, 2 carry, 800 plus 2 2, 800 800 0 024. Now put the decimal after how many places? 1 2 3 digit from the right side. So 1 2 3 digit, here will be the decimal. 0.024 become the answer. Number 5. Suppose 53.07 we have to multiply it by 11. So arrange it. 53.07 and 11. So first we multiply 5307 by 11. 1 7 is 7, 1 0 0, 1 3 is 3, 1 5 is 5. Here is a 2 digit number, so we have to go for one more step. Give a cross sign. 1 7 is 7 here, 1 0 0, 1 3 3, 1 5 is 5. Add. By adding we get 7 7 3, 5 plus 3 8, 5. Now put the decimal in proper place. First number only having the decimal after 2 digit from the right side. So after 2 digit from the right side, put the decimal here. So the result become 583.77. Coming to another multiplication example, suppose we have to multiply 63.003 by 14. So arrange it. Now proceed the multiplication. 4 3 is 12, 2 1 carry, 4 0 0 plus 1 1, 4 0 0, 4 3 is 12, 2 1 carry, 4 6 is 24 plus 1 25. This is the first row. By multiplying with 4 we get that. Now we have to multiply it by 1. 1 3 is 3, 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 3 3, 1 6 is 6. Add. So here 2, 3 plus 1 4, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 2 8. Multiplication complete. Now put the decimal after 1 2 3 digit from the right side. So 1 2 3 digit, put here decimal. Answer become 882.042. Okay. So this was the multiplication of decimal number by whole numbers. Now in case of the multiplication of decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, these things, suppose going to multiply 0.9 and 10, then these are more easy to multiply. Just multiply 0, 9 and 10. So we get 090. This is the multiplication result by 09 and 10. Now put the decimal after one digit from the right. After one digit from the right, put the decimal here. As the after decimal there is 0, we can cut the 0 and decimal, and as 0 has no value on the left side, so we can cut this. So the result become only 9. Suppose multiplying 2.5 and 100. So just multiply it, 25 and 100, 25 1s are 25, put the 2 zeros. Now put the decimal after one digit from the right side. After one digit, put the decimal here. You can cut the decimal and the 0 here. So we get 250 as a result. Suppose we have to multiply 0.78 and 1000. So 078 1000, 078000. Put the decimal after 2 digit from the right. 1 2 digit, put the decimal here. Now we can cut this decimal with 2 zeros. And 0 has no value on the left side, so we get the result 780. Next another example, suppose we have to multiply 875.275 by 100. So just multiply this number and 100, leaving this decimal. So 875.275 and 2 zeros. This is the result. Now put the decimal after 1 2 3 digit from the right side. 1 2 3 digit here, decimal here. After decimal 2 zeros are there, we can cut the zeros. So the result become 87,527.5. Okay. So these are the some multiplication whenever we are multiplying it by 10, 100, 1000, that's number. These are more easy. Now multiplication of a decimal number by another decimal number. Suppose we are multiplying 0.4 and 3.2. So in that case Similar way we will arrange the numbers. First I am taking 3.2 and we have to multiply it by 0.4. Just forgot the decimals for both the numbers and multiply. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. Give a cross sign. 0 2 is 0, 0 3 is 3. Now add 8, 2, 3 plus 1, 4. Now see it. In the first number there is decimal, also in the second number there is a decimal. For first number, decimal is after one digit from the right. Second number also decimal after one digit from the right. So in the result we will put the decimal after 1 plus 1, 2 digit from the right side. 1 digit, 2 digit. Put here decimal. Result become 4.28. Similar type of, suppose we have to multiply 3.9 and 1.45. We are taking the number with more digit first, 1.45, and multiplying it by 3.9. Just forgot the decimal and multiply. 9 5 is 45, 4 carry. 9 4 is 36 plus 4, 40, 4 carry. 9 1 is 9 plus 4, 13. Now 3 5 is 15, 5, 1 carry. 3 4 is 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 carry. 3 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. Now add 5, 0 plus 5, 5, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 1, 5. Now you have to put the decimal where? In the first number there is decimal after 2 digit from the right, and in the second number decimal is after 1 digit from the right. So 2 plus 1 total 3 digit we get. So after 3 digit from the right side we will put the decimal. 1 2 3 digit, put the decimal here. So we get 5.655. This becomes the answer. Let us multiply 0.024 and 25.25. First we will arrange. Let us take 25.25 first. 0.024, leaving the decimal, just forget the decimal and multiply. 4 5 is 20, 2 carry. 4 2 is 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry. 4 5 is 20 plus 1, 21, 2 carry. 4 2 is 8 plus 2, 10. Give a cross sign. Now multiplied by 2, 2 5 is 10, 1 carry. 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. 2 5 is 10, 1 carry. 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. Double cross. Now there is another digit 0, 0 5 0, 0 2 0, 0 5 0, 0 2 0. Again cross sign, triple cross. There is a digit 0 again, 0 5 0, 0 2 0, 0 5 0, 0 2 0. Complete all digits. Now add 0, 0, 5 plus 1, 6. Here is only 0, 5 plus 1, 6, 0, 0. Now we have to put the decimal after how many place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. Put the decimal here. We can cut the 2 zeros on the right side because they are after decimal. So the answer become 0.606, or we can write only 10 and 606. So this becomes the answer. So in this way we can multiply a decimal number by another decimal numbers. Okay. Now coming to a word problem. If 1 kg of apples costs rupees 32.50, find the cost of 4 kg of apples. This is the question. So see, 1 kg apple cost is given rupees this, and we have to find 4 kg apples. Definitely 4 kg apples will 4 kg apples cost will increase in same rate. So in that case we have to multiply 1 kg apples cost rupees 32.50. So 4 kg apples costs rupees 32.50. We have to multiply it by 4. We have to multiply it. Let us multiply. 4 0 0, 4 5 is 20, 2 carry, 4 2 is 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry, 4 3 is 12 plus 1 13. Put the decimal after how many digit? 1 2 digit. 1 2 digit, put the decimal here. As after decimal there are only 2 zeros, so we can cut the decimal and zeros and give rupees 130. So we get 4 kg apples cost rupees 130. Another word problem. If 1 meter of cloth costs rupees 375.75, okay, then find the cost of 2.25 meter of cloth. So here 1 meter of cloth costs rupees 375.75, and we have to find 2.25 meter of cloth cost. So this cost of this 2.25 meter will increase. So you have to multiply it 375.75 and 2.25. Let us multiply. 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 7 is 35 plus 2, 37, 3 carry, 5 5 is 25 plus 3, 8, 25 plus 3, 28, 8 is here, 2 carry, 5 7 is 35 plus 2, 37, 3 carry, 5 3 is 15 plus 3, 18. That's complete for first row. Give cross sign. Now multiplied by 2. 2 5 is 10, 1 carry, 2 7 is 15 plus 1, 16 6, again 1 carry, 2 5 is 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry, 2 7 is 14 plus carry 1, 15 5, 1 carry, 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. Again same repeating, multiplying by 2. So same this row, 0 6 1 5 7. Now add 5 5 7 plus 0 7, 8 plus 6 14 4, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 6 14 plus 1 15 5, 15 5, 1 carry, 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 14 plus 1 15 5, 15 5, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 14 4, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8. Now put the decimal after 1 2 3 4 digit, 1 2 3 4, decimal here, give the rupees sign. So we get 845.5475 rupees. This rupees we get. So this is the cost of 2.25 meter. Okay. So this was the discussion about multiplication. Now we will come to some properties of decimal numbers. Properties of decimal number we will discuss from here. Here are some properties of multiplication of decimal numbers. First property is called the order property of decimal number. This says the product of two decimals does not change if the order of the decimal number is changed. Example 2.5 multiply 1.5, we get the result 3.75. If we do it roughly, we get the result 3.75. And if we interchange between these two positions, first 1.5 and then 2.5, we get the same result. So we can say that this is equal to this one. So 2.5 multiply 1.5 equal to 1.5 multiply 2.5. This is the order property of decimal numbers, multiplication. Next to grouping property of decimals. The product of more than two decimal does not change even if their grouping is changed. What do you mean by group? Here is at least 3 number decimal and we make a group between 0.4 and 1.2 first. That means we have to first multiply this and the result we get we will multiply 1.7. If we do that 0.4 and 1.7 in a group, that is this multiplication we will do first and then 1.2, the result will be same. Moreover, if we do the multiplication first 1.2 and 1.7 and then multiply the result 0.4, that will be also same. All the result is equal to 0.816. So this is the grouping property of decimals. Number 3, the product of a decimal and 1 is the decimal itself. Example 5.73, we are multiplying it by 1, the result will be 5.73, same number. Number 4 property, the product of a decimal number and 0 is 0. We know that any number with multiplying 0, we get result as 0. So for this decimal number also same. And last property, this is called distributive property. First decimal into second decimal plus third decimal equal to first multiply second plus first multiply third. Okay. For example, I am giving the example for fifth number property. Property 5, 0.5 multiplying suppose 1.1 plus 1.9. Okay, that will be same equal to 0.5 multiply 1.1 plus 0.5 multiply 1.9, that is first number multiply the second plus first number multiply the third. This is another property, it is called distributive property. Okay. Now with this property we will solve some simple problems, fill in the blanks. Suppose 0.78 multiply 4.3 is equal to 4.3 multiply dash. So this is the simple application of the property number 1, order property, that two numbers are here 0.78 and 4.3 multiplying, but here come the 4.3 first. So definitely second number will be 0.78 using the order property. Dash multiply 1 equal to 7.82. What number should we multiply 1 to get the 7.82? It will be same 7.82 to multiply 1 to get the same result 7.82. If we multiply 0.35 by 0, what should be the result? Definitely 0, because 0 multiplying any number is 0. Okay. Number D, 4.03 multiply 8.5 multiply 7.8 equal to dash multiply 8.5 multiply 7.8 See here, groups are there, first, second, third number. There is a group between first and second number, but on the right side there is a group between this number and this number. So what was the first number? 4.03. It will be here free. So this was the some applications of these properties of decimal number multiplications. With this, the topic is completed here, and in next class I will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.